Happy Wednesday, everybody. So today I have a quote that I want everybody to focus on, and that is progress over perfection. So some of you, if this is not your first time with me or we've been messaging privately over the past couple days, you've heard me say this because it is so very true. Anything new can be a bit overwhelming at first. So, you think about like your first day at a new job. You didn't know where the bathroom was, you didn't really know the procedures, you didn't know anybody, you weren't exactly sure what your role was, but you figured it out, right? Trying and learning new things and asking questions and failing your way forward is what really, then makes you become a great employee. So the same thing goes for a workout nutrition program. If you're not used to meal prepping, it's going to be overwhelming. If you haven't worked your body in this way, your body's going to be sore. You might not be able to finish all the reps. You might not be able to lift all the weights. You may need to modify, and that is totally fine. Because honestly, guys, if the programs were easy and you can do it full bore the first time, it's not going to provide that change that you're wanting. So if you're finding that the workouts are easy, you're probably not pushing yourself enough, and unfortunately, that's not going to make change. So I want you guys to focus on progress, not perfection. So, and find joy and in the journey. Find joy in the journey. Like people, message me all the time, oh my gosh, how do you meal prep? It's so hard. And it wasn't easy for me the first week or the second week. I kind of learned what foods I liked, what was easy for me to cook. So it was all progress and a journey. So once I figured it out, then I kind of stick with the same things, and you will too. So if this is your first round, and this is Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're probably sore. You're probably super duper sore. And I remember when I first started my very first program, I was so sore, and I'm like, well, I shouldn't continue. I need to give my muscles rest. And while your muscles do need to recuperate, the program is designed to work specific muscle groups, specific times. So, well, gosh, my thighs hurt to squat down to go to the bathroom, or equally as hard to get up from the toilet. Just know that that's progress, and your body is changing. So learn to embrace that pain. And honestly, if it's a painful, like you feel like you pulled something, definitely listen to your body. But if it's just true muscle soreness, and you may be like muscle sore, like you've never been muscle sore before, but kind of be honest with yourself and listen to your body. And if it's true, just horrible soreness, dig through it. I know it's really hard. Once you get your muscles moving, like if you're super sore and then you're like, okay, I don't know if I want to do my workout, and then you do your workout, you're gonna notice that you're not as sore because your body's gonna get moving, your muscles are gonna get moving, the lactic acid's gonna kind of break up and not be all built up. And so that's what's gonna bring that change and reduce that soreness. Also, water is very, very helpful. So just enjoy that pain. I know it sounds funny, but I've learned to embrace that pain. I used to hate it, and I'm like, oh, that's the feeling of change. So guys, you guys are doing wonderful, and I love when you guys message me to ask me questions about stuff. No question is too silly, because I know this is all a learning experience and a journey that we're on together, and I'm learning right along with you guys. So that's the awesome thing about our accountability groups. So today's challenge is I want you to share below one positive thing that you've learned over the past few days about yourself, or just brag on yourself, because I think it's really important. I think we get in the mindset of, we have to be perfect right away. So we're like, oh, well, I didn't finish my workout, or I didn't get all my food in, or whatever that might be. Instead, I want you to shift that mind, and I want you to share what you did do. So much of this is mental, guys. Truly, truly mental. If we keep telling ourselves, oh, we screwed up, then it's kind of telling our brains, okay, well, we're just a screw up, so just keep screwing up. But if we're like, hey, I rocked that workout. I modified like a champ. I ate all my food. I ate more food than I typically do. Even if you didn't get all your food in, because I know some of you are like, this is so much food. And I totally get that, because I felt the same way. But brag on yourself. Hey, you know what? I got 80% of my food in. I didn't have any cheats. I resisted a piece of cake. Share one good thing and focus on that. Focus on what you did do right. So share below. I'm really excited, so I can brag on love on you. And Justin might be messaging or recording later. I don't know. Anyways, I feel kind of lonely out here by myself. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. As Justin would say, eat well and take care.